we have Marcia, and Marcia is speaking to two persons right now. So it's Ashanti and Erica, the landlord. So with Ashanti's situation, she's saying that he should leave the house because, people are talking and they're saying that he should leave because the sheriffs will be coming to remove him. And she's talking about the law of Florida, and that they know they have all the information about the laws in Florida and how it works. So they're giving him, ways in which he could leave and what he could do to make it more simpler for him, in terms of trying to get a place somewhere else and to leave the lady's house, Janet's house, that is. She spoke to her son also because she was saying that, they're having it on social media to say that her son is locked up and he's free, he's outside. There's no way she could call him direct if he was in prison. She's also addressing the landlord, Erica. She's saying that she's not getting into anything else outside of Ashanti right now because she don't need the distraction. She needs to make sure that everything, is done with Ashanti before she touches or looks on anything else. So catch the video for yourself and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as always, and have a good one.
His person, your wife name have to be on the deed. And she don't have to pay you nothing. So you can't get your wife to pay you nothing. Not even a dime. Florida law is different. It's different. So 360, sit down there and tell the people them say we are lie. Everybody knows say not lie. Open the damn door. And if you don't open the door, you know say after them attempt 1 and 2 times, you know say they're going to proceed without you. So you can't get out of the situation. So just come up. What you need to do is to just come out of the woman's house and go on with the business. I don't understand why you make it so difficult. You're a very sick person. And you're very delusional. You have to come out of the woman's house. Whether it take 1, 2, 3 months or not, eventually you have to go. So the people we take up for you might as well just make preparation with one of your friends them or whoever you want, or one of the girl them, whatever it is, and pay your rent and put you. And which apartment you're going to go in? Which apartment? Are you qualified? Are you qualified? You're working? You have pay stuff for sure? Huh? You have pay stuff for sure? I want to know. Why did you worry about me? Why don't you worry about me in an apartment? All of my brothers and sisters are here and have their own house. So if I have to come out of this house and put my things them in a storage and go about business, and when me find an apartment, me go straight back in there. Then I won't worry about if I have to come out of this house. Who no worrying about? Who no thinks that Marcia could have come get according to no? Then me would have make Marcia come and show me out in the house. Then me a idiot. Me want to know. Who no just love to chat. So me, Marcia Campbell. Me, Marcia Campbell, have all my brothers and sisters here. And me have a truck out the door. When me can't drive go anyway. Me have money in my pocket, can rent a hotel or rent a place. And you expect me to come talk about say fi cup fi kill. You know a chat shit. You just a chat shit at my ears hole. Him not have nowhere to go, but me have somewhere to go. You can't him not have nowhere to go. Because even if him have somewhere to go, them not gonna keep him there long. Eventually, they're going to get rid of him, just like your mama get rid of him, just like the woman of Queens will get rid of him, just like every woman we have will get rid of him. So whether or not no come on social media take a take up for somebody who doesn't need to be taken care of, it's crazy. The best thing one can do for this guy is to encourage him to give up and get some help. That's all. You can't, what you have to do is to encourage him if you don't love him. I want to come out here trace me off for him. I am a woman. We all do stuff in our lives. We all take up man in our life when they deserve us. Lot of woman we take up broke pocket man. But them have them good ways about them that they will show us love. They will show you but them after a while them get comfortable, them change. Lot of woman out there right now facing the same situation as this lady, who have compassion and love for somebody who come into them life and expect that person is going to come in there and show them love and attention and affection. And because they are more established in many ways, you expect, say, alright, you're doing this and you're doing that. Your package is on the way. Okay. Let me see which package this. Let me see when to reach. Oh, I'm a makeup. Okay. I can't find makeup in the store. I just order it from Amazon. You understand? And a lot of us, we take a poor man. Just as a woman, established nursing woman, una have RN, una LP, and una this, that, una nurse practitioner and all them sort of something there. Una go Jamaica pick up broke pocket man. Una can't blame her. I wanna come up here, wanna buy them whole suitcase of clothes a year time carry down. Wanna send no money through MoneyGram Western Union and go mind them. Wanna have no house a yard, wanna put them up in a house because I wanna send them on a bashment furnitures. And them in a house live off down in there. Wanna can't blame this lady. We all women and we have feelings too. When you see somebody come in our life and start to nice we up and make me feel good and do certain things, you know, but it's these things are not going to last, because if you're not keeping up the momentums in certain situation and you want to take over, man have to learn that when a woman is have power and have control of money, you have to keep your heart yourself quiet. You can't feel it, you can't come in out people's house, come go on like you want to take over. Especially if you don't have the ring on your finger. You don't have no talk. There is good, better, best. I will have to learn from the situation. But what I am saying to you, me can tell you that I, Marcia Campbell, me know the truth. And all I can tell you people, story may not work certain way, but we don't need to know the story. All we need to know that broke pocket man, once you start being rude and the relationship over, come out of the woman house. That's all. It's just straight blank. We don't need to know which side of the bed them sleep on, who said this and who said that. Once you don't have the ring and the finger, you don't have no talk. Once you ain't paying no bills, you ain't got no talk. So we're not going to blame the individual and said this and that. Once you don't have the ring on your finger, you said, I am that person married and whatever. And you ain't paying no light bill, no gas bill, no water bill, nothing. You don't have no talk. Your relationship over, pack your 2 little bag and go on. It don't make no sense. Somebody good to you, give you a nice little lifestyle when you are sleeping in your car. In a 3 o'clock in the morning, cold bite you. You not have to sleep in a dirty motel. You're in a brand new house with just built. With just done build February. And move in March. You should have kissed the woman ass. You should have kissed the floor when she walk on. You know how much man that love the opportunity there? Do you know how much man? I believe that if it was somebody else different from you, they would have sucked salt green until and see what happened. But because of your dirty attitude and you come and slander people and spread false rumors. Because what you people don't understand, there is full evidence, people. Eyewitness, full evidence in pick for me to make the money pass social media. Between him, Matlock and 13. A broke pocket people them there. I mean, there is full 100%. Matla get $150 for trace me off for the month, and Kingston 13 get $75. And this is what these women come down to. And I'm me, hard working Marcia, when me have my own little business. I'm doing something, and this man fight me for my sheet, and him cuss and him go on. God still help me, said we. And me now get paid for cuss off people. And this is no fabrication story, you know. This a facts, you know. Them talk every day, you know, and strategize, you know. Oh, what they're gonna say from what they're not gonna say. And then them laugh off of me. On the phone. And these are women. These are women. And these are not fabrication story. These are real story. Them take set by me just for contents on social media to make the money. And me a man meal ticket. You understand? You understand? Me, I am meal ticket. And this is what these two women does, or any one of them will call. Them sit down and plan. That's where you see him come. Because him using a hypnotize type of way. You come and you repeat the same thing over and over. Over and over. And when you come, it's like a teacher. Whenever you come in and you repeat something over and over and over and over, it becomes believable. I mean, see it here? See my phone here? My iPhone? I call my son. Hear my son voice. He say, mommy, me no wake up and me soon call back. Yeah. And the people in social media believe that he's in prison.